Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here to support your evolutionary journey. We want to talk to you today about the process that Pleiadians went through for evolution to achieve where we have arrived today, and the process that you are going through as your own evolutionary process for moving into higher consciousness. There are some things that are very, very similar and some things that are different about these processes of moving from one level of consciousness into another. What we wish to talk about today is one of the gifts that you have that is different than what we have. But we'll start first by telling you that one of the key components of our evolutionary process was to recognize the power we had to make a difference in what occurred in our lives, in our world, and in the cosmos through managing how we thought, how we connected, how we spoke, all the things that were part of our civilization as traditional normalcy. Once we learned and realized that everything is energy and that all energy travels throughout space, we recognized that there was another missing piece about our understanding of the true reality. That was part of our evolutionary process. And in making that discovery, we learned to empower ourselves by making choices for the highest good of all, which opened our hearts ever more to being more loving, more loving, more loving, and all judgment did not exist. So we want to help you understand how to become unconditionally loving. But even more important than that, we want to help you to understand the power that you have to make a difference, not only within yourself, your family, your community, your land, your world, but as you have energetic thoughts, how you make a difference and what ripples out across the cosmos. You are living in a much denser energy than we had to endure when we went through our evolutionary process. So we understand clearly how much more painful it is for you to go through the ascension process into higher consciousness. We understand that, but we also want to point out to you that one of the gifts of being on planet Earth is that you do have the power of choice. The power of choice allows you to choose moment by moment what you feel, what you think, how you react, what you choose to do, what you choose to believe. In other words, it is the power of choice that manages all of your essence, everything about you. You choose what you are going to be experiencing, at least by 50%. The other 50% is the cosmos gift to you to help you to move into higher consciousness. Now, this gift may not always feel positive. At times, you may really struggle and wonder why you are having to struggle so much. Nevertheless, the universe is pushing for planetary evolution for planet Earth. And you, being those who have chosen to come to planet Earth at this time, are also being pushed to eliminate all aspects of fear within you, rid all toxins that have been forced upon you by those who work with the agenda to poison humanity, and move beyond any rigid belief systems that keep you stuck. The universe continues to pressure you at this time, particularly to help you achieve all of these goals. Now, we said you have the power of choice for at least 50% of what manifests in your world. But that does not mean you have the power of choice of what is presented to you by the universe or what is presented to you by your external environment and those who are having an agenda against humanity. Let us be very clear. We do see that there is an agenda to annihilate your species rather than have you achieve the evolutionary levels of higher consciousness that are destined to be yours. The power of light brings this destiny into fullness so that you will be able to achieve all that is your destiny. And yet those with the agenda who have strayed from the light and find themselves governed by dark energies do not recognize that your destiny is definite. No matter how much you struggle, no matter how much you suffer, you will achieve what you came here to achieve. There are forces in the universe that are supporting this. So when we tell you over and over again that you have the power of choice and it is strong, please recognize that even when you feel you have no choice, you have the choice of how you react and how you govern your own feeling state. You have the choice to change your perspective, invite in another view, look at it from another way of seeing what's happening. These are choices that change you at an energetic level. They may not initially or at all change your physical level, but the energy is what you're working with to process higher consciousness. Your physical form is just a manifestation of certain energies that have been at play in your world for a very long time. You are moving into the new human, a new form of being human, a new form of working in who you are, what you are, how you are. And this requires shifting and changing not only your thoughts and belief systems, but also your form. So your form is changing, and the process of this change is somewhat disconcerting and uncomfortable, at times even painful. But the universe does not provide more than you can handle, even though it feels like it is more than you can stand often. It does this in layers, and you've been having this come in layers for a number of years. It's been coming in layers for your whole lifetime, but it's been intensified in the last 3 years. So the level of intensity you are feeling now is a signal to you that you are approaching higher and higher levels of possibility. So we encourage you to recognize that you have the power of choice and choose to think about this and feel about this emotionally differently than whatever you may be experiencing in your physical body or in the physical world around you. Recognizing that those thoughts and feelings will help co-create a higher level of manifestation for you. Now we want to switch topics just a little bit and still having our theme about evolution and choice. One thing that has happened on your planet is that you have become too complacent. Complacency means you are not willing to take an action, take a stance, do something to stand up and say no. And oftentimes this comes from a believing that you are disempowered, that you do not have enough strength or you cannot make a difference. But everything you do does make a difference. Everything you think does make a difference. You just cannot see it from the larger aspect like we can. When you do not stand up and say no, when you do not say, I want to do this a different way, when you do not join together for the highest good of all, and this is a very key point, joining together for the highest good of all promotes the ascension process and the evolutionary rise in consciousness. When you do not do that, and you sink into fear and complacency, you allow such things as the weather war that is happening on your world. You allow those with the agenda to manipulate the physical reality around you. It is time that you step away from the things that are harming you, not just complacently say, well, this is what I have and this is all I can do. It's time that you join with other like-hearted humans who wish to have a different world and together begin to co-create that different world. When you join together, whether it is physically or whether it is through telepathy or however you may join together with others through your intentions, your energy begins to say no to those who have operated from the dark and forgotten their way that they are part of the light. When you do this, it's not a resistance, but an alternative path that says this is the higher way. You have an even higher power to make a difference. The most dangerous things to your evolutionary process right now are the impulse to just surrender and allow yourselves to be governed by those who are trying to rule you, to just try to make do or stay with what is familiar, rather than saying, I will risk everything to make the change that is necessary. You must make this evolutionary leap and make the change, risk whatever is involved in order to have something better. different, and better. If you stay on the same path of complacency, if you allow your fears and your sense of disempowerment to continue to rule you, your planet is going to go through an even rougher time than you are experiencing now. If instead you choose to align with others who think and feel as you do, and stand up and say, no, I will not put up with this. If you band together and eliminate, notice we're using this word on purpose, eliminate those who are ruling you, those who are in power over you, standing up and saying, we will not stand for this anymore, and form your own sense of this is how we wish to be governed. We will govern ourselves for the highest good of all. Then you will be matching what Pleiadian evolutionary processes went through, being able to band together with the heart concept of unconditional love and always, always choosing the highest good for all. With the intention of choosing for the highest good of all, there is no need for any type of governmental regulation because you govern yourselves. Your heart becomes the ruler. This is what you are striving to achieve, and this is what the dark agenda wishes to prevent. They seek to separate you. They seek to keep you controlled through your fear. We seek to help you empower yourselves, to unify yourselves through love. We seek to remind you of who you are, what is possible, and how you may move into a better and different form of living. Your life is precious. Your service not only to this planet, but your service to the cosmos is also precious. And with this in mind, we want you to think about, feel into, notice the difference about what we have said. When you choose the higher thought, when you choose to focus on the highest good for all, when you stop judging and simply love everyone and the spirit of Lakesh, which is I am another yourself, that love and that light radiates into even the darkest of energies, and it does invite them to change perspectives and to join the light once again. All of this is possible, but not without your service to do it, not without your choice to risk everything and be willing to join the light at all costs. Be willing to be the love that you are. Make choices from your heart and be dedicated to what you came to Earth to do, to help the ascension of the human species to reach a higher state of consciousness and manifest in a more wave-like form as we do. We know, we trust that your hearts are aligned with this desire. So release your fear, release your complacency, take action, and join together for the highest good of all. Let your human evolutionary process be like the Pleiadian evolutionary process and come to join us as cosmic citizens, living lives of light and love. We love you. Good always.